boys, it's me Asseht, and we're here today to do the unboxing on the Kingston A2000, sponsored by AMD. We're gonna install it in our regular system. Ang dyan muna.
Really, nigga?
So, before we open this, we need to prepare its NVMe slot. So we're gonna remove the NVMe lock, which is this one. So, first you gotta do is, if you have a graphics card, you need to remove the graphics card. We have already done that. And we just move it aside a little bit before we remove the locks. So this is what's covering your NVMe drive. This metal is your NVMe drive coolant. This is actually your heatsink. This is what cools your NVMe. And that is where you place your NVMe. There are a lot of slots there. So you need to place your NVMe in the right place. So we could remove those other slots, which is this one. We just need to remove the other side. Alright, let's just move the GPU a bit and grab this lock. This is the stand that will hold the screw while you transfer the locks. So let me just get a flat screwdriver. We have those right here. And then let's go back to business. Alright, so let's just turn that a bit on the side. There we go. And we will choose which of the 3 slots there we will place it. That's it. This is what it looks like. We need to place it right over here. So basing on the length, it's supposed to go on the 3rd slot, which is the first one on the left. So we need to place it manually first using our fingers. Alright. And when it's mounted there, you turn it. Alright. Now it's time for the unboxing. So we need to peel off the back. Need to remove this one. I don't want to rip the packaging because I'm gonna keep it. And there we go. It's open. Okay. With that, we can remove the drive slowly because it's sensitive. It has all of these. So actually, you can check the product if it's legit online, and we could also download our drivers there. So we just need to take out the drive. Come on. Okay. So this is the drive. And we need to take it back. And we install it here. Just a little push inside there. Let's see. Yep, that's correct. Just a little push. And you place it down. Perfect. We need to mount the screw first. Place the screw there. Turn it. And then we return this one back in. But first we need to remove this thermal pad. The cover for the thermal pad, so that it will not heat up. Right? Slowly but surely, you place that back in. Perfect. Now it's just a matter of locking up. Make sure to firmly lock it in place. Make sure that it's cooling the NVMe, because if it's not cooling, it's gonna heat up and your storage is gonna fail, or it's gonna get a shorter lifespan. So we need to take good care of it. Either way, it's all good because we have a fan right here blowing air up. It's not gonna heat up, and we're not gonna do extensive workloads on our NVMe, so that's not a problem. Okay, so let's place the GPU back where it belongs. Slowly but surely, return the screws, which is here. And then afterwards, the shield or the guard. Turn that. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, it's running away. Oh, bastard, little bastard. That's why I love magnetic screwdrivers. So we need to seal it up. Close the screws tightly to make sure that it doesn't move, because if it will make your GPU sag if you cannot close this properly. Either way, we have a GPU stand that you could use to not make it sag. Next, we need to return this, our power cables for the GPU, and then I think it's all good. You just need to turn it upright this way, and then just install our GPU stand right over here. Perfect. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. That's perfect. So that's how you install an NVMe, guys. That's the perfect guide. So I'll see you next time. Thank you and bye-bye. Bye-bye!